Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, JRose08. So, today we're going to be talking about what everybody's been talking about, just AI and ChatGPT. But I'm going to be talking about how well it actually handles programming. So, I went straight to ChatGPT. I said, make a cool Pac-Man game in Pygame. And yeah, that's what it did. It, started generating code immediately. And when it finished, it said you could add Ghost. So I just went ahead and told it to add Ghost. And again, as soon as I put in that prompt, it turned around and it did it, which is really crazy. And I've actually been using ChatGPT for a while, so I'm kind of used to this. But after this, I literally just went to Replit, signed in, and after I signed in, guess what, guys? It's as easy as this. You just copy everything. That's it. And so I copied it, went to Replit, pasted it. Boom, right there. That's all I needed to do. And you see, ChatGPT isn't actually that good at programming. Shockingly, it can help you with small details, but here, I'm gonna just show you. So, I know, loaded the Nix environment, I got everything loaded and downloaded, all the dependencies, and so it opened the code, right? It started running. And so immediately first, you see that there are no walls or anything like how there is in, actual Pac-Man. Everything's just everywhere, and the red ghost doesn't move with any sense. It just jiggles around, maybe slowly moving in one direction. But the actual, playable character, Pac-Man, he's pretty nimble. And, as soon as he touches a dot, it disappears like he ate it. If you touch the red ghost, it's game over. So I did that just to test everything, and then I restarted the program. And the ghost started off in a different spot, which I expected because we had to import random, and so it goes to a random place and does very random things with no sort of intelligence at all. And so yeah, all around, not a bad first effort, but for AI, you just think, oh, it's gonna be really good, it's gonna be really smart. That's like the first thing that comes to people's minds when they hear AI, but honestly, it's not actually all that good. I'm gonna be making my own Pac-Man. It's gonna be way better than ChatGPT's, and I'm gonna be posting that in a video next week. So you guys stay tuned. Please like and subscribe and share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you next time.